Number 9a is asking you to rewrite y equals the cube root of 8x minus 192 to make it easy to graph using a translation. Describe the graph. The issue here, guys, is that the 8x is inside the radical. In order to graph, there cannot be a coefficient in front of that x. So we want to get that 8 to be out of there. Okay? The 192 is divisible by 8 conveniently if you plug that into your calculator. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to come over my paper here. I'm going to write it out. I have the cube root 8x minus 192. Okay? I want to get that 8 out of there, so I'm going to factor 8 out. I get the cube root of 8 times x minus, and if you take your calculator and put in 192 divided by 8, you'll get 24. Okay? So I have the cube root of 8 times the quantity x minus 24. 8 is a perfect cube. I could take a cube root. Folks, this is the same thing as doing this. Okay, these are all properties we want to make sure that we know and understand. Alright, we see that? So that's a multiplication property of radicals. Alright, so we take the cube root of 8, that's going to give us 2, and we're left with the cube root of x minus 24. And that satisfies the question asking to rewrite it to make it easier to graph and to describe the graph. So this will be our equation. Okay, the graph is going to shift which direction by 24. And we look at this negative, we remember that inside the radical is opposite. So by having minus 24, we're actually going to the right 24. This 2 is a stretch. So we stretch by 2. Okay? And that's all there is to 9a.